All right, we in the game. All right, everything's finally set up. All right. Well, let's see what the daily talking about. The daily obviously broke yesterday's daily low right there. We just been pushing up and up and up and up and up. So we're gonna see if it's time to come on down. We got a lot of news today. Most importantly, we got the rates cut. So the rates will be cut today at 2:00 p.m. when Jerome Powell speaks. So we'll see if that can balance the economy for a little bit, or more so than it has been. But it's not really much analysis to be made from the daily, considering like we've just been pushing up and up and up and up. I can even skip the 4-hour in this instance. We might be making a low to continue up. So price goes up, down. So this might be the continuation up at this point. So what we're gonna see now, based off of the 30-minute time frame, is if we can get a bottom wick to retest this broken resistance, we may be able to come on up with this clean range to the left. So what we want to identify are clean ranges, the left-hand side. So we definitely will see. Like I said, it could be a very quick move today. I won't even need too much, honestly.
Quick little 30.
Yeah, quick 30, man. That's all I'm wanting. We'll see. Hopefully, I need more than this, though. Need more than that. That ain't nothing but a little, let's see, 6-bit bottom wick. It's all good. I'll wait. Even if you don't catch it at now, like it's likely to come at 9:15. Like this is a lot of range. Or you could get in and anticipate that volume just gonna push it on through. But like I said, it's more moves to be had for sure. I don't want to jump the gun trying to get in something early at the top when we ain't created that bottom wick. It's a smooth little stop loss though, 25 pips. But it just barely kind of broke the high right there. Hardly, but it did. Right there. So if it breaks this high again, it just might go ahead and run. But I'd rather see a little bottom wick. It's early into the morning and all that. See if we can get a little down with it. So looking for buys up, kind of to fill this whole range here. And targets basically like this 15-minute high right there, then this high right here. So if it does push fast, it's all good. No big deal. As far as sell, likely just wait until we get under this support again. Try this one down some more. Yeah, sales are real choppy under here just because like all this choppiness to the left. Like a newer trader would just look and say like, yeah, this is very clean range on the way down. But like you gotta consider that the way it held up right here, right here, right here, is the same way that price can hold up right here. And it just did it. So we would probably need volume to push through that, maybe at 9:30 or so, and break through that with volume. That's also the daily low now. So we'll probably have to see when it comes to sales. But for now, we're looking at buys because the 30-minute closed above. Like I said, it's not a bad move to get into this on the break of this high right here. It's not a bad move. Keeping a stop loss under the entry candle, which is right here. I think that this is a little early into the 30-minute candle for this to be breaking without a bottom wick. Usually candles make bottom wicks. Sometimes they push without it, but usually they make a bottom wick. My saying is, ID. If it drives, it drives. What's going on, YouTube? Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Go ahead and tap into the chat. Drop a like. It just feels right when you hear, man. It just feels right when you hear. Be myself.
Bro, I had a nice little day yesterday.
Hey, man, listen. Yeah, I'm gonna get into all that in a minute. So yesterday, just through the power of compounding, though, which is interesting. Yesterday was my first official $10,000 day. $10,000 in a day. Crazy.
In what, an hour and a half? Not even 2 hours.
Yeah, an hour. 1 hour. Sat down, I think at 8:25 when we started. It was out the trade by 8:27, 8:28. A beautiful thing. Let's see. Yeah, what time do we get in? 9:21. What time do we get out? 9:24. So yeah. The trade was in for 2 minutes, 32 seconds. Oh, hey. I miss my boy Tonio. See if he in the chat. He said he was going to hop back on soon.
You gonna be back on tomorrow?
He said he's on the job hunt right now. So he said he's just locking in on something right now. But I don't want to hear none of that. Ain't good enough. It's playing around that little high, ain't it?
Yeah.
Let's see, that 5 minute just created. Like, it should go up, and you could even use like the 5 minute low now as your stop, like a smaller stop. Because if it breaks that high now, like I always say, you got no reason to come back down and break this low. But I just got a feeling that this isn't the bottom wick. Like, I think that it's more in the tank for this. Maybe not. And you got a 15-minute resistance right there too. So like, it looks good based off of the 30-minute. And the 1 hour just continuing to break its highs. But shit, I'd rather at this point wait on a closure above this. Like, I'd rather wait on the closure above that for a double confirmation that we going up. Because if it reject out of here twice, we might start closing back in range. So we'll have to see. But this is all just speculation, of course. It could break the high right now and fly up 40 pips. The game you play, the chance you take. Man, we got 7 people on the YouTube. What's going on, YouTube? Go ahead and tap in with a like. Appreciate y'all that have liked already. Just waiting on a closure above the range. Kind of got a closure on the 30-minute time frame, but price is really starting to play around these highs right here. But I went down to the 15-minute and I saw a resistance right there. Okay, so if I see a resistance right there, I'd rather be out wishing I were in than in wishing I were out. If this does break the high, continue. That's fine. If it breaks the high and starts rejecting out of this resistance the same way it did right here, then it is what it is. I'm glad I avoided it. What's going on, Marco FX? How you doing, brother? Thank you for tapping into the stream, man.
Looks like a good little trading day.
Yeah, man, this is a very
something simple, man.
simple. Yeah, this is very simple. Closure above the range, take it up. So we'll see if we can get it. And honestly, we got 7 minutes of the 15-minute candle closes. I wouldn't mind if this does start breaking up a little bit, but still leaving a wick to continue. And thank you, Brandon. I just seen your message. Appreciate it. All right, so there it goes, breaking that high. I'm doing good. How about you? Doing pretty good. Doing damn good because I just got a nice payout from Tradify yesterday. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 payouts approved yesterday for a total of 13,050 after the split. So a good little Tuesday. I'm just trying to see what we can catch just to keep building. All right, so this 30-minute is breaking this high now, which is not bad. It just depends on if we can chill out like right here for the next 5 to 6 minutes. If it pushes, it pushes. ID.
About 6 minutes.
Yeah, we got a lot of time left in the trading day. Like I said, it can fill all this if it wants to. Like, I really don't care. Saw that quick jolt right there? That thing pushed up and pulled back. I wouldn't even been able to take profit right there. Or I would have got slipped. But yeah, even if it, it's getting a little tight now, like from here to here. But we'll see. Yeah, I saw it. Nice. Appreciate it. Yeah, definitely keep tapping in. I appreciate the love, man. Let's see what we can catch today. Look like price starting to make its way back up after it's been pushing downward. Even if price broke all these lows or broke this low, we're still hella bullish on the day. And we tapped kind of into this support area right here, resistance turn support. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Price ain't done nothing just quite yet. Like, this is a fine move. Break of this high using either the current candle low down here, or y'all saw me when I said shit. My scary ass be using like the entry candle. If I'd have got in that and that shit would have broke its own low, minus 13, that just would have been what it was. But I ain't gonna say that wasn't A plus. I'll say like a little, like a B trade, just because of the resistance. What'd you say?
You said a B trade?
Yeah, like a little, like there's a resistance right there, but I'm anticipating that 830 volume should push us through type shit. Nothing crazy. Ain't nothing we ain't seen before. I'm interested to see now if it closes like this at 8:45. If I go ahead and take that ride up, anticipating that the move was going to go ahead and finish out, or is it this 5-minute bearish candle going to start holding shit? We'll see. Like I said, I'm really not too antsy right now, considering it's just so much more range. And we don't, majority of our trades happen at 9:15, 9:30 anyway. Breaking that high again. That 5-minute candle made its bottom wick to continue up. I'm at 1894 of the target for Lucid too. For them 2 big days to start. I need to keep that shit going. Get be nice if I can hit that payout target before I leave. We'll see. I started 5 new ones with Lucid Trading too, so 1894 times 5. Just trying to run them up. Just trying to run them up. We got them all on the copy trader. There it goes. But honestly though, even if it cleared all this out and closed above here, I still would take it on the next candle to fill this. So we'll just see. I was aiming for the bottom at 690, but since we didn't get there and broke 700, I was long from 706. Yeah. Yep, that was a good move till 710. Yep, there you go. That's about right, for sure. Which is the weekly VWAP and daily. I don't know what that is, but I believe you though. I don't know what a VWAP is. I know what I always say. My EYES, my eyes. That's what I'm looking at. All right. We'll see if we got some range. See, like, what is a VWAP about this? You said 3706. Like, that's a genuine question. What is a VWAP? I don't know what that is. That sounds like some rocket science. I know my support, I know my resistance, and I know to wait for a closure. I'm interested to hear what a VWAP is. Volume average price. What is volume average price in? The volume weighted average price is a technical analysis indicator that measures the average price of a security over a specific period, taking into account the volume of trades at each price point. Damn, that sounds like a lot. Well, if it works for you, that's what's up.
And get that closure above.
Or a pullback. I was thinking that we'd get a little bit more than this, man. Like I said, you could have used this low as your stop just because it was straight. Like, to use it. It's all good, man. It's early in the day. Early in the day. I wouldn't be surprised if this starts dumping. Just with the way these candles have been forming. Because this is still technically could just be the top wick to come down. I'm interested to see what happens today at 2 during this FOMC and funds release. Because we're forecast to cut rates, and they already said they're cutting rates. And I think that technically means that the dollar is getting weaker. Like, I saw a post today. We're at all-time highs for stocks, bonds, cryptos, gold, housing market. So in turn, the dollar is essentially getting weaker. So with that being said, we'll see. We'll definitely see.
Wondering crypto gonna go up.
Yeah, I was looking at Bitcoin today. Need to blast off. Waiting for 2:30 press conference, Marco says. Yeah, I don't plan on being on during that time just because of the consistency and all that, but I definitely will be interested to see what happens with gold during that time. Yeah, I heard they'll cut rates by 0.25, but people are saying they could do 0.5. We'll see. All right, when it breaks this high, I need to just chill right there. Look at that 40. I'm telling you, it wasn't a bad move at all. It wasn't a bad move. That's just crazy to push up 40 with a 5-pip bottom wick. That's a good trade. And close above, then. Even with the volume candle, I thought that's what you were saying earlier. I said that since this didn't have a bottom wick, I expected more. I didn't even retest this zone at all. Literally closed above and just moved up. I did say multiple times that it can break that high and go.
Just freeze right here.
Facts. That's what I want. Then I want a bottom wick. Always. Breaking this high. Photographers say two commercial shoots that will take all day. Let me know if Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. for you and your wife. That's why I like trading gold pre-market 8 to 8:30. Yes, sir. 8 to 8:30 is nice. I don't even sit down until 8:25 though, but I know 8 to 8:30 is nice. 9:30 is real nice. I'd say 90% of my trades happen between 9:15 and 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Rejecting right out of there. Watch this shit start dumping. Let's see. Two commercial shoots.
I'm so ready to get into 2,000 profit. Get back to that.
Think it changed the game for you?
Hmm?
So you think it changes the game for you?
Oh yeah. Really, you just need to get over the 1,500.
What you at now?
900.
You ain't no good, man.
I can throw a nice little two today. Be good.
Yeah, two for 25 to 30.
Yeah.
That coulda been it. Shoulda taken. Where's the Iverson? I'll take all day on Monday. Have you seen Dejan here in a minute? I don't think I have.
Probably not this week.
Yeah, I think she was definitely on last week. When we gonna start holding them full positions, right? Whenever we need to.
Yeah.
That consistency, bro. It don't make sense.
That's ever since
You just might as well trade a larger lot for less. And be playing with their ass.
Yeah.
Like,
I got time
I
to
know
hit that
that
profit target and keep trying to.
literally, and that's the day. I mean, because I got to make 4,500 now on these Tradify accounts this second time around, but I still got to keep my consistency at 20%. So if I got to keep my consistency at 20%, obviously 4,500 times 0.2 would be 900. There's no point in me making more than 900 in a day. Because I'm trying to make it harder on myself. So I did make way more than I had to on the 100K. Like I only needed 3,000 and I made 1,000. So now I got to make like 5,000 something. But since I copy all the accounts anyway, I ain't tripping about it.
Like I'm not trying to come down yet.
I'm saying these 5-minute candles have been pushing, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row. It'd be nice to just trail that stop, trail that stop, trail that stop, and just keep putting it under there. It's just moving. But it's I mean, we don't really see this much at 8:45. What's interesting is depending on like what you're looking at, like there's still a decent amount of range up. 27 pips to that resistance right there, and it's probably gonna push up through it. But I prefer if this can pull back just a little bit, leave some more room, and then go. Let's see. What's like making me hold up right now is that I'm wondering if it's coming into like this area or rejecting. That's the only thing I'm like, it should go ahead and keep filling on up into like here. But now you kind of got to consider like this could just be the rejection point to come down again. But we'll see. Like I said, man, it can fill all this and just 930 can close above here, and here it goes. So, here for a long time. 2 minutes. Let's see. 20 seconds. That's a little, you think that's a little tight? The rest. Like part of me is like, what'd you say?
It's like I might even passed it.
It moves without a bottom wick, then we'll definitely don't got a choice. Let's see if it can come all the way down. I'm talking about all the way down here. And then flip up, that's one thing. But if it just makes this little one pip bottom wick, I'm not gonna worry about that. Like I said, I'm not really tripping just because it's so early in the day. And we done taken 2 bangers this week already. But see if this can make a bottom wick, come back up, re-break its own high. You can probably set a stop loss to break even right there at 20. And try to take it on up to like
It's making it for sure.
Yeah, that's what I be wanting to see. That's what I say when I want to see a bottom wick. So I'll feel comfortable going ahead and setting buy stop up there. 34. Cool. And then right there. So if it flips and comes down, it ain't really no way to manage risk. I be saying like these kind of are using whatever you get as your stop loss or your intuition. This is what I be talking about when I say I want a bottom wick. Like I want the candles to come on down. I want it to come on down because candles usually make bottom wicks to continue up, bottom wicks to continue up, bottom wicks to continue up. When you just have something like this that just pushes up with a 1 pip bottom wick, that's just chance at that point. It just happened. But for now, I'll have this as my stop. So this will be that retest right there. Now, if it just keeps on coming down, like if the 915 candle closes back under here, oh, it's coming down. And I'll play my hand at that. But so I'll see how a 5-minute candle closes. Keep an eye on that. Because right now this shit is darting down quickly. Like 37 pips right now for your technical stop loss. But then usually when we take a trade at this time, it's like It won't happen right now, but it might happen in the next 5-minute candle. Do we fear these supports across here? We will see. Most definitely.
Not risking for that biscuit.
All you can do is manage risk, bro. Like, take a loss. It just is what it is, really. It is what it is.
I'd have had such a I'm on the one on this one.
What happened?
I said it's been such a great week. This trade, I might just throw one. Go back to throwing one.
Oh, so you gonna size down now?
Yeah.
Look, bro, I'm telling you, bro. When you on a good streak, sometimes it's best to just size down.
Yeah, listen, dog.
It's like being greedy with God. Like you trying to take so much.
Right. Hey, it's bad. Yeah, listen.
You muffling up a little bit, but I heard what you said. But yes, bro, I wholeheartedly agree. Like sometimes, man, it's like I just want to chill, take a little lower risk setup. If I lose and I cut it on a lower lot, I'm like, shit, I don't even care. You lose on that larger lot trying to lot up because you feel hot. That's terrible. Like, damn, I just threw away a day and a half of profits. All I can throw, unfortunately, well, I say unfortunately, but fortunately as well, is ones on this account because I'm still in that pre-live phase. But I've been working my little play though. Just taking my little basics day by day. Taking a little basics. So, we'll see. Roger, if this keep coming down, I might delete it.
Yeah.
But if it flip up though, still be interested. But for now, like, let's see how this candle closes. Because if this 15-minute candle closes back in this range, I would anticipate that it's about to do what it did right here.
Yep.
Like, yeah, we missed the buy up, but we could potentially catch the fake out down and close above the range, close back under the range, take it down, move stop loss or break even right here, or take some profits right there, pull targets like down into this support maybe. But I still have the buy stop for now. I think that one, if it breaks like this previous 15-minute candle low, this shit ought to come on down.
Like that one even better.
But if it keeps respecting all these lows and starts flipping up, free money. It came right to that little area. That's why I'm like, it's not bad. Just gotta push through it. Like, but it came right into this little area. Right into this little area. All right, delete. I'm deleting. Oh, it just made a 50-something pip bottom wick so far in the last 5 minutes. I'm gonna flatten all here. Go to my Trader Bay account, flatten all there. 5-minute candles are just pushing, boy. This is the volume that I want though. I like this. So since the open of this candle, it came up. It made about a 5 pip, 6 pip top wick. And this thing has just fell for 65 in 6 minutes. I'm really liking sales if we can get back under here. Liking sales if we can get back under here. Right now, we're kind of in no man's land, just like hanging out. We broke highs, broke lows. And even if this candle pulls all the way back up and then closes like weak bearish at 9:15, you still can take an entry on the break of that high right there. This 5-minute candle just came down, now flipping back up. But I don't have a stop loss at this moment. So even if it came up, that means that in a 5-minute span, it would have came from all the way from the bottom, 70 pips. So if it does break that high, and we're expecting to go to another 30 pips, that means that we will expect it to have moved from the bottom 100 pips in 5 minutes. No good. Damn, bro. Volume for your ass. That we should hold it. What is we should hold it? What does that mean? Marco. I have no stop loss right now. That's the reason I deleted it. I might add it again on this next 5-minute candle though, for sure. This can close back above. This next candle can be the bottom wick. You can use whatever that low is, which is a more reasonable low than 70 pips. But I'm liking it though, because that means that this 30-minute candle came all the way down and grabbed this liquidity, potentially activated people who were in sales right there. If you didn't take your profits of about 15, 16, 17 pips, then you dead right now. Looking sad. He said, we are holding now for the weekly VWAP. Thank you. All right now. This is my little zone that I'm looking at for my first little target. I really think that thing can come up here, bro. Like, with the volume.
That candle got our ass.
Minute. Ooh, what'd you say?
I said that candle got us. Thought it was gonna keep coming down.
Hey, listen, you can't be too quick to jump the gun with these. Now, so what I used to do back in the day is I would have had a buy stop above here, anticipating that this is gonna just continue up, honestly. Because if you're anticipating that this was the bottom wick for the 15-minute and the 30-minute, and you start getting closures back above this range right there, then that's if. If you start getting ranges closures back there, then it should go up, break this high, and continue. But I'm more safe now. More safe. So, let's see. This is looking not too bad. The stop is still fat. But you know me. I ain't holding for that whole stop loss anyway. Five seconds. Yeah, the thing might chop around. Might. Definitely might. So it broke that high, or it didn't break. It got close though. All right, now it broke the high. So let's see if 2024 James would have been in profit or would have. Wait, did that? I didn't. It might have got me in on the spread. There it goes. Okay. Let's see if 2024 James would have been a profitable man today. Use this, cut half at the bottom there. Full stop is all the way down there. I may add my little I stop back. He said, yeah, big boys won't enter any position before the news, so play the range, play range trade then. All right, I'm gonna set my buy stop again. Not bad. So if this flips after grabbing all this liquidity to the downside, I'm anticipating that we should just go on up using this 5-minute low as my stop.
Ain't no way we're going back down.
Huh?
Ain't no way we're going back down.
I mean, I ain't gonna say ain't no way, but
not that fast.
It shouldn't.
Yeah.
It shouldn't. I mean, based off of what we know about markets, you done grabbed all this liquidity to the downside. Why the hell are you breaking the high again and then coming all the way back down, or even coming down a little bit? So we'll see. Win, lose, or draw, I mean, is what it is. Always say, man, you manage your risk, you'll be all right regardless. All right, so it's getting close. Man, that's a textbook there. Trading that support, 5 minutes to break it a high. But it just be stuttering. I don't like that shit. No playing around today. I wanted to break that high and go. We're getting close though. I'm looking at 15 minutes. The 15-minute candle is gonna close in 2 minutes. If I don't get in by like 9:14:30, I'll probably just wait on this candle to close. Wait for the next candle to make a bottom wick. Then go, because at this point, it's likely, we'll see. You just don't want to be in the and waiting on the next 15 minutes bottom wick to form. That's the only thing. We're so close to entry and he's breaking his own high. But I would love an entry on the break of a weak bearish high like this.
One minute.
Damn, bro. If they get me in, I'm gonna just pray that this 15 minute don't have a deep ass bottom wick. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete it for right now, but I'm gonna add it back in less than a minute. I'm gonna see how this next 15 minute candle opens, because I do expect that we're gonna make a bottom wick. I expect that, but what I don't want to be is activated and then be a part of the bottom wick being made.
Yeah.
So if this can close just like this, that'd be great in 20 seconds. I want the next candle to come down, like, and retest this again. It don't have to, but just give some sort of down wick and use whatever low that is. And I'm gonna add this back shortly.
Get a better stop loss.
Yeah, I mean, now our stop losses be 10, 15, 20 pips. So it's 9:15 now. Damn, come on, man. Come on down first. Please come down first. You can take it on the break of that high. You can. But the only thing is, this can break this high and start coming down to make the bottom wick. But it should come up. Come on now. Come down, please. Like I said, I'd rather be out wishing I were in and wishing I were out. Like, it just kind of is what it is at this point. I need something. This is a 14 pip stop loss with no bottom wick. Like, I can't take that. That's not a me trade. But if this can break this low, start filling some of this wick right here, that'd be great. I didn't like this. There it go. All right, I'll put my risk on the line here. There you go. There we go. That's it. See, so that's what I'm talking about. If you would have been entered on that, you would have been a part of this making the bottom wick, and you just got to sit in there. But we'll see. We'll definitely see. May or may not get us in on this time. But candle anatomy, price just came all the way down here, broke all these lows. Closed weak as hell bearish. If this candle were to start breaking this weak bearish high, should be good to go on up. But that's an if. If this candle closes back under here at 9:30, I will take a sell. But for now, I'm definitely still bullish. But if I get a 30-minute resistance to formulate right here, back under this support right here, I'm open to both ideas. But if we keep breaking these lows, and we're going to keep on deleting, it's going to be what it's going to be. I mean, what I have seen right there on the break of that high. All right, Marco. Appreciate you tapping into the chat, brother. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the subscription, man. Yeah, definitely tap in a little more to the chat. I enjoy it. I like trading gold. Yes, sir. That's all I trade. All I trade, sir. We look at one thing and one thing only. I do. Look at one thing and one thing only. That's how you learn it best. Alrighty. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Come on now. Start making its way up. Let's get this day over with.
Facts. It's got to either stay right here. Oh, okay. Well, I said it's either got to stay right here or go on up. Go ahead and play that luxury. Appreciate it, buddy. I'm gonna pin your message to the top. Message pin. Message. All right, so if it don't get us in on this candle, on this 5-minute candle, surely it'll get us in on the next one. Yeah, man. You know that luxury. That luxury is that before the entry. And that
Sunny days.
And that sunny days is when we in.
Hell nah. We'll see. If they want to stay right there, that's cool with me too. Let that 9:30.
Man, listen. 9:30, boom. Feel that wick right there. Call it a day. After we just have formulated a resistance on the 30-minute time frame. There's no way that price should break this high if it wants to come down. Hey man, we do both. That's the thing about trading that's so nice. You can make money on buys, you can make money on sell, you can make money doing whatever. Right now I'm still bullish just because the 15-minute candle is open. If it starts breaking this high and this high, we should go ahead and push on up. But if we start getting 927, 928, and we start looking like we're about to form a resistance that close up that cat right here and a resistance right here, I'm cool to take it down. I'm open to both. But as I always say, I will need a top wick. Not jumping in with no bottom wick or no top wick. You heard what my dog Brightman said. He said, "This week been so good. These weeks just feel better. I'm fighting for my life."
I talked to DJ yesterday. DJ had called me. I'm like, man, where you been at? He like, man, I just had to take a break, man. I'm like, I respect it.
I talked to him too.
I respect it.
I talked to him on Monday. He was like, I'm just taking a break because I heard the market's been choppy. I'm like, I mean, it's like kind of discretionary. Like,
market always choppy.
If you gonna hold that full loss, it's gonna be choppy. If you gonna cut that bitch and manage risk, it ain't gonna be too bad. Everyone trades different, bro. I can take the same trades as y'all. Y'all gonna make 28 pips. I'm gonna make 22. I'm gonna cut my risk at 13. Somebody gonna take the full 25. Like it's all very discretionary.
Right.
Oh, very discretionary. Oh man. All right. Are we deleting again?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 920. Yes, sir. Flatten all again. Exit all again. It's looking like a little 930. Up or down.
Stay right there.
Facts. Facts. And then if it closes like slightly below this little 5-minute support too, bruh, this is about to fill this whole thing now.
Too bad I can't catch all that. I can only catch a 30 piece.
Listen, that's what I'm saying. But we needed to stop running off on us. Rather be out, wishing I were in, and in, wishing I were out. But I mean, if you look at like this time frame, ain't nothing in the way. Oh, what? After the week we've had, a no trade day wouldn't be too bad. On God, it wouldn't be. I'm here though. Like I'm here and I'm looking for sure. I'm definitely here and looking, but I'm damn sure not forcing nothing. Like I said, I like not stressing, preferably. I want no stress money. Someone just sent me a real dumb video. That shit's funny. And Cardi B pregnant with Stephon Diggs, baby. That's crazy. They live a different world over there.
Five minutes.
Yeah, I'm really not even worried about this little support right there. Like, I think that if it with volume, I think we push past this. I think we push into this. Stop loss to break even. We probably push past it down into there. If I see about 25, 26, 27, cut it.
4 for 26.
Ooh, nah.
You ain't doing that?
I don't need 4s no more. Because at that point, I'm only looking to get. I mean, I can, but like I'd rather go a little lower risk. Like my dog said, after the week we've had for 1, and for 2, like shit, a 3 for 30 puts me right at where I need to be. But if I use the 4, I would only use 22 and a half. So 22.5 times 4 is 90. And so I can only get 22 and a half at that point. I'd rather just go a little bit lower risk. Because I mean, you gotta think, bro, like when we begin about 25, 26 pips in profit, it usually goes to 30. We just be scary. We just be cutting it for no reason. It shit usually gives that extra little 3, 4. It don't usually just fall the hell out. Usually. 4 minutes. Bro, Roger, did you see any clips of Dame Dash's interview yesterday
Nah.
on Breakfast Club, bro? He's so funny. Bro, him and Charlamagne be going at it, bro. They so funny.
Saw a clip of what's that boxer name? Adrian Boner.
Who? Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw that this morning.
When it was on what is.
Yeah.
I like that nigga there, bro. I was watching his old videos when he be after his fights and the commentator come out.
Bro,
he be like,
he don't be getting
the commentator be talking. He be like, yeah, fuck that.
Man, he's so weak.
Yeah, let me get the mic.
He's so funny, bro. He be calling Charlamagne gay all the time for no reason. He said anybody who talk about other men is gay. He like, I'm doing my job.
That sounds like Charlamagne too.
Yeah.
Doing my job.
He said a real man would have just got his ass beat. He wouldn't have ran like Charlamagne did. I'm like, what? How does this make sense? That's funny. All right. I would have preferred we closed a lot higher than this. But let's see what 930 got for us, because if we have now created a resistance. Oh, I want to pull back a little bit. I got what I wanted. But let's just see. Hello? Yes. Good, how are you? Yes. We are still fielding offers. Yep, we're still fielding offers. Okay, sounds good. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. Well, let's see. This might have changed up the game, Roger. The 30-minute could still close
last second, bro.
bearish above, or close right below. But like, that's not a great closure. Like, especially with the 5-minute pushing up like this. I'm still bullish. If it closes above on the 15. Yep. Now
another buy stop.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna go buy stop above that 15-minute high. I'm actually moving that down a little bit just to try to catch some extra. Anticipating that volume should take it on up. Yeah. So if it breaks this high, I'm anticipating that it'll break that high. It's just a way to sneak extra. Look, something like this. Just respected that to the left. And it's only a 27 pip stop. So let's see. Which will be the 1 hour flipping again, which will be the 30-minute candles breaking that previous high. So, like I said, the safer buy stop will be above here, but I'm just sneaking a couple extra. If it bites me in the ass, then it bites me in the ass. It is what it is. Expecting that when this 1 hour candle flips overall, which will be on right there, so good to go. Set my little You said I'm gonna set a little buy stop again. So I think the 1 hour is about to flip and break right through there. Let's see if I got the right. Race 3417.2. Perfect. Anticipating that after this candle respected this resistance right here, this candle starting to break this high right here, should come up. Emphasis on should, no guarantees. There's really not any way to manage it other than maybe saving about 5-6 pips on the way down if the candle starts to flip down the way it is right now. But overall, anticipating volume to take us up through there. Come on now.
We're gonna jump up.
That's what I'm saying. Go ahead and make your move at 9:30 like we like. see it jumping? You see it jumping? Jump up, like you said.
They wouldn't do that shit. Jump up and just jump down. Like, bro, come on.
Yeah. When it breaks its own high again, it's probably gonna get me in. Where you got your buy stop?
Oh, like last time, 37.14.7.
Okay. I got mine a little lower just because I'm anticipating that once we break this 15-minute high, we should have no issue breaking that 30-minute high.
Stop filled.
Okay, so I'm in. No guarantees or nothing though. It might not. It might or might not. Like I said, if it bites me, it bites me. I could have jumped the gun and waited. If I get out, then I'll just put it back up here. So like where it should be. Let's see. I'm anticipating that if it breaks its own high again, it should keep on pushing through. Oh, I'm tripping. There you go. This is what I was talking about. So I'm anticipating that if it breaks this high, it should break that. You still ain't got in yet, have you?
Nah.
See? That's that BS, bro. I was trying to catch some extra. It might get me. Might not, though. The safer play definitely would be to wait on the break of 34.17.3 up here. There we go. All right. So I'm up 10 now. I've seen about 10. My stop loss is at break even. Not break even, sorry, under the entry candle. The 5-minute candle is about to close in 20 seconds. It could be a quick ad.
Come on, just hit TP. Come on.
Hey, listen, if this shit go before this 5-minute close, who won't get out? All right, I'm up 20, 15. All right, so we got a 5-minute candle that's about to open. I'm about to restart my song, and we're about to go ahead and hit target. So this 5-minute candle just opened up. We got 930 volume on our side. Let's see if we can re-break its own high and start going up.
Yeah, we good. We good.
I'm up. Ooh, shit, my fault. We should be good. So I'm up 20. I seen 20.
This shit need to hit my TP. Come on.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. I got mine sitting at 30. Come on, bruh. Do it. I don't want to go stop to break even just yet. I don't get me to though. I'm about to move this out the way. Sorry.
There you go.
All right. I'm stopped to break even. I'm stopped to break even.
Order filled.
Let's fucking
600
go.
day.
That's what we do, y'all. That's what we fucking do. 930 across each account. We do this shit.
I told you it's gonna be the same days yesterday.
Hey, man, listen. Same shit over and over. Just stick to the plan. Just stick to the plan.
I told you it's gonna be a green week.
Ooh, I got 330 on this account, Roger, on a 1.
Go ahead and take that
playing
withdrawal
with us, man. Listen, that's, bro, God is so amazing, bro. 930 across all 5 of these accounts. Then on my Lucid trading accounts, same shit. Man.
Basically at 1,500 now. Shit.
Hey. We here, bro.
600 on 2 accounts.
That bitch stopped me out at 630 on this one. Because I told it to stop me out at 630. Now it want to do that.
So quick question for you, man.
Yes, sir.
What is the cap on the 150s? What's the, like, you know what I'm saying?
What do you mean by
consistency? You're talking about consistencies and
$1,800.
Okay.
Yeah, I never got close to that.
Okay.
$1,800. So I'm gonna turn this off.
Let's go, man. Come on.
Yeah, good day, y'all.
Listen.
I don't even want to talk.
Hey, listen.
You made some, Jamal?
Yeah, I'm 1.2 today.
Man.
1.2?
Yeah.
Man. Bruh,
Yeah.
holding feels so much better though. Like real shit.
Yeah,
Like
man, because
holding
I saw
feels
that thing.
better.
I ain't gonna lie. I threw that one. I'm still holding it.
Hey, bro, because
Hey.
your heart not racing.
Yeah, it's
But
not at
move
all.
your stop loss to
I
take
did.
profit though. Make sure you at least get some.
I moved it to where even if I'm at 350 right now, 400, but I moved it to I moved it to 300. So
Yeah, so if it
I'm
come
at
back and
least
get you out at
taking
300,
some.
cool. If it run to 500, cool.
Right.
Hey, bruh, like
It's probably gonna run all the
bro,
way to
we
37.22.
we really coming along, y'all. Like we really coming along. For real. Like this shit is beautiful.
But I'm cool with that.
Yeah,
330.
I see my target coming real soon.
Hey, if you just continue to show up,
Thank you, Dave.
you just continue to show up. That's what it really all comes down to.
And low key, man, I be putting my move a little bit before you even put your move, and then when you do it to confirm it, I be like, yeah, I think I know what I'm doing a little
like
bit
the
more.
buy stop.
Yeah. I
Because
put
you
it
see
there
it though.
before you.
Because you
Yeah,
see it, like you
exactly,
seeing what's
exactly.
going on.
hmm I'm getting it. I'm still got to learn a little bit. I got a lot more to learn. Ain't no cap, but yeah.
We
I
always
see
got a
it,
lot
then
to
I be like,
learn.
oh
I ain't
man,
gonna lie
yeah.
to you. Like it's never gonna stop. It's
Right.
never gonna stop. But bro, like these are textbook moves. Like textbook. And that's why I was like, I wasn't really tripping about missing this because I was like, bro, it's so early in the day and we know 9:30 is our baby. Like 9:30 is the move. So if I know 9:30 is the move, shoot, it don't make sense for me to be stressing, trying to catch something at 8:35, 8:40. It's not that big of a deal. I'm here. I'm waiting on my moves to set up. I'm taking it from there. Bruh, another 152.810. That's 3 straight days on these accounts of over $900 on Lucid. Tradeify on these accounts made 930 across each account. Boom.
Let's fucking go.
Roger, bruh.
My dog Willie
You
get,
seen
man.
it, bruh. You seen it. You seen it. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and break this down. And I hear my wife revving up that oven. So
Shit.
I said lunch. Breakfast is about to be served.
Brain weak, I'm telling you.
Hey man, I'm taking a little day off tomorrow for a little chill day. I'm gonna put this in the chat just because it be tripping sometimes. TradeZella be taking a little minute to update. Bro, fucking the exit, y'all. The exit. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Police, that thing took you out at 300?
Yeah, it took me out at. I moved it up a little bit more. It stopped me out at 330.
That's all it is, bro. That trailing stop loss. Get some.
Yeah,
And then
like you said,
I threw a one, so I wasn't even
if it went to 500, cool. If it
Right.
went to 330, cool.
And that was on a one. That's why I was kind of playing with it a little bit just to.
It's a fine line because I know we want to take those twos because the profit's so nice when it runs in profit, but like if your heart be thumping while you win it, it's counterproductive.
Right.
Like if you can't see negative 15 or negative 20 on a 2 without your heart racing, you probably can't see positive 15 or positive 20 without your heart racing, and you're not even letting your full move play out.
Right. That's very true.
You know what I'm saying? So like you today, you was like, bruh, I'm still holding this bitch. Scene 40
my
maybe.
heart be racing when I log
38.
in, so I don't know.
But yeah, like scene 37, 38. And if it come back to 33, I'm cool.
Yeah. Like me, I like throwing twos like when my account's already up there, so I got a good buffer. So if I'm up there and I'd be like, you know, I'm gonna lose 400 for the day, that's gonna be my max. I could throw that too on there.
Man, Lysandra be in this damn chat. Thank you, Lysandra. I appreciate it. She be showing love, boy. She said, great trade again today. She been for every trade this week. She been catching that bit. No lie. Shoot. I'm about to go ahead and make a withdrawal on stream. Because I made 326 today, 260 yesterday. Or yeah, I think it was yesterday. And DJ was talking about this.
I need this exact trade on Friday.
But see, my problem is, like, when people say they taking a break, it's means of taking breaks. You can take a break to reset, but bro, you need to show up most when you down. that's when you really need to show up. It's easy to go. It's easy to come here when we winning. That ain't nothing. But when you really getting punched in the face, man, it's not fun. You gotta keep going. I'm waiting on this dashboard to update. Yes, sir.
Damn, I need another day like this Friday, bro.
Bro, like this. Talk about like this week. Bruh.
Yeah, put me at 2,000.
Bruh. So that was the 15-minute time frame, and I'm gonna go screenshot the 30-minute time frame. Like, bruh, when I tell you, God is so faithful in just ordering your steps if you stick to the plan. And it's so crazy because what keeps replaying in my head is just kind of when like Felice first joined the group, and he was like, bro, like I see it, like I see you doing it. And that's what makes me, and because he was like, bro, I blew my account. I ain't even mad because I know the play. We know what's going to happen. It's just about learning risk management, learning emotional control. Like it's about a lot of shit outside of these charts. The moves are the moves. We know exactly what's going to happen or supposed to happen, but it's a probabilities game. Sometimes it's not going to play out. But are you going to let it be negative 300 or are you going to let it be negative 700? That's up to you. That's up to you. Because we know what's going on winning days. I don't got to tell you what's going on winning days. Like that ain't, and I ain't even put in my other accounts. Like this is 4.26K times 2 because Lucid Trading don't just automatically copy over. So that'll be another $9,000 day. So it's up to folks on how they want to go ahead and advance in this shit. Honestly. And what does Willie say? Say what you make that in? Let's go ahead and look. That trade took 2 minutes, 38 seconds. Yesterday's trade took 2 minutes, 32 seconds. Bruh, the play is there. The trade before that, 5 minutes, 9 seconds. The trade before that, 3 minutes, 28 seconds. Man, listen.
You pull that up, James. How you get that on your
This is the bottom, so just pull this like this. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it, but I don't have anything down there. What you got highlighted? Is it positions or
add components?
Orders.
Right here. And it's trades. Trades is where it's at.
Trades.
Yes.
All right. Okay, cool.
Yes,
Thanks.
Yup. So I'm gonna mark this up and I'm gonna make sure I'm out of all my positions. I'll be scary like this still open.
I don't bend. Click that lockout.
Hey, lockout. That's an understatement.
Yeah, I was just looking at the market for a minute. I was like, hold up. Lockout.
Listen,
lockout.
You said you made 1,200 and now Shonda gonna
man.
come home. She gonna be happy.
Playboy, we out in Cali, man. It's like 6:45 over here.
Hey,
Like,
listen, when that
up
first
at
payout
5.
hit, you gonna buy another one. You gonna start copy trading them, bruh.
Oh, man,
the play is too simple.
I'm buying 4 of them. It's already there.
The play is too simple.
Yeah.
It makes too much
It's
sense.
lightweight. So yeah.
All right, so that was a breakout. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this trade down. Hey, I'm finishing up my stream. I saw your text. I'm gonna text you right back here soon. Nah, you good. So this 15-minute candle. I mean, bro, like there's so much value in this whole trade, bro. Like it's just so much to break down, honestly. But I'm gonna just go off of the basics. So you had a 1 hour candle, first of all, that closed above. 1H candle closed above. After the 1 hour candle closed above, candle broke previous high with no bottom wick. This candle came down after breaking that high 70 pips. So candle made 70 pip bottom wick. Was anticipating that sales would play out if the 15/30 minute candles closed below the range. Within the last 30 seconds, price closed above. Anticipated 30-minute volume, which was also the 1 hour flip and re-break of on high to take us to targets. Put stop loss at BE when price hit a 15-minute resistance level to the left. Price cleared 30 pips effortlessly, held for full target. That is the breakdown. The 1 hour candle closed above. The candle broke that high in the first couple minutes. That's why I be telling y'all, I'll be like, man, I don't want to hop in these trades with no bottom wick because you don't know how far this is going to pull back. So that being said, I waited on a pullback. I set a buy stop, deleted. Waited on a pullback, set a buy stop, deleted. This candle looked like it was about to close under here. Instead, it closed respecting right there. This wasn't much of a bottom wick, but I do know that during times of volume, we should go ahead and break up. And that we did. Full targets hit for 30 pips. And that is the trading day. So 4.26K across these 5 accounts through Trade-of-8. Great exit up here. Would have gotten real close to stops, but you would have been hanging out around break even right now. No good. On my Lucid trading accounts, made 916 on each account. So that's 916 times 5 on those accounts as well. And I will be taking a day off tomorrow just as a bit of a reset, mental reset more than anything. Don't ever be afraid to take a reset when shit is going good because you deserve it. You only got to take breaks when you're going bad. That's, once again, counterproductive. So that being said, good ass stream. Let me go ahead and look at the chat. That's how this shit go. Boom, love it. Generational run it, pop off. Get Tonio on the phone. Preach. Let's fucking go. Crazy week. 30,137 across all accounts. Yes, sir. And that's how we fucking do it, y'all. So thank y'all for tapping into the stream. YouTube, thank y'all for tapping in. If you could like, subscribe to the channel. I think this is the most likes we've ever had. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. So y'all can like and subscribe. That'd be great. And we will be back at it on Friday. Stay safe. Use a stop loss. And we will be back at it. See y'all.
Shit, y'all.
Yes, sir. Good day.
Yes, sir.
Hold it down.
Good day. Good day. Good day.